Hi, this is Bob out here in the cold. It's 40 degrees right now, and I'm putting in these new type LED headlight bulbs, the 74475, I believe it is the number. I'll check that and I'll put it in the description too down below so you guys can see it. But I just put the one in this headlamp here, and I'll turn it on. It's on low beams there. I did not notice much difference between high beams and low beams. Of course, that would show up at a distance out, and we're only looking at about 5 feet here. But here's the new one I just put in there, and then here's the old one that I had in here. This is the old style LED bulbs that they were selling, and like I say, that's the new one. You can see by looking at the headlamps that is considerably different. You can also see a really bright spot there where it's shining on this bucket, and also on the blue tub there. That's the new LED bulb. And over here on this side, right here, this is the old on there. Now I'm going to turn this around. I hope you can see what I'm doing there. And I'm going to put the new type in the other one as well, so that you can see that. This will only take a minute. Turn them off, and I hope that the camera is not too terribly aimed. Let me check that. Oh yeah, okay. One thing about the Model A, you don't need any tools or anything. You just push that little clip thing and you can remove. Yeah, sure, nothing to it. Remove the front here and take out that old bulb. Now here's the type that was in there. These are the type they were selling at the vendors. I've already put some dielectric grease on the base of this thing so that the dielectric grease helps a lot, because you do get light corrosion on the bases of bulbs and things, and you'll find that your automakers put the dielectric grease on the bulbs when they make the cars and put the bulbs in. So anyhow, let's get this lined up properly. Get forward at the bottom so that it reads correctly. Get it all the way in there. It's not all the way in there yet. There we go. That's got her in there. And put the clip back up. I take both hands to put that clip in. Be sure I get it fastened right. Okay, I'll go turn the lights on again. I'm going to put it on low beams. I'll put it on low and then try high. There's low. There's high. Low and high. Okay. Now there's quite a bit of snow on the ground, so I'm not going to take the car out. But I wanted to show you that, and I wanted to try those bulbs, so that's why I'm out here in the cold. Like I say, it's about 40 degrees right now. So that's the deal there, guys. You can see the snow we have here in the wet ground. Okay, everybody take it easy and enjoy 2021. Let's have a really good time in 2021. Hopefully we can get our cars out and go do some things. This is Bob. Goodbye.